okra for amazing hair, DIY hair mask, and more. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a surprising hair care ingredient, okra. That's right, the little green veggie you know from gumbo and stews. But okra has a secret life as a hair hero. In this video, we'll explore the benefits of okra for hair, show you how to make a DIY okra hair mask, and share some other ways to use okra in your hair care routine. Benefits of okra for hair. Okra is packed with vitamins and nutrients that are fantastic for your hair. Here's what it can do. Moisturizes. Okra is rich in a slimy substance called mucilage. This acts like a natural conditioner, hydrating your hair and leaving it soft and shiny. Promotes growth. Okra has vitamins A and C, which are essential for healthy hair growth. Reduces dandruff. The vitamins and minerals in okra can help soothe your scalp and reduce dandruff. Strengthens hair. Okra is a good source of folate and biotin, which can help strengthen hair and prevent breakage. DIY okra hair mask. Now, let's get to the fun part, making an okra hair mask. Ingredients. Okra, 5 to 7 pods. Water. Optional, olive oil, honey, or your favorite essential oil. Instructions. Wash and slice the okra pods. Boil the okra in water until it becomes slimy. Let it cool slightly. Mash the okra or blend it into a smooth paste. You can add olive oil, honey, or an essential oil for extra benefits and fragrance. Apply the mask to your hair and scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Other ways to use okra for hair. The okra hair mask is just one way to use this amazing veggie. Here are some other ideas. Okra hair rinse. After shampooing, rinse your hair with cooled okra water for extra shine and detangling. Okra scalp scrub. Mix mashed okra with some yogurt or coconut oil for a gentle scalp scrub. So, there you have it. Okra is a natural and affordable way to achieve healthy, beautiful hair. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. And let me know in the comments below if you've tried okra for hair.